I am so ready for sandal season. Talk to me in October and September, and I will be so ready for boot season. But I love the winter time. You know, you spend all that time in socks, and I usually don't get pedicures, don't like to shave my legs. And about February, I'm like, okay, I'm ready. I'm ready for sandals. I'm ready to uncover my toes. I'm ready for pedicures. I'm ready for all of it. So I have been looking for sandals. I love a great pair of sandals. I have a pretty casual lifestyle, so I don't tend to get a ton of high heels. So I'm looking for sandals that can be dressed up, that can be dressed down, that are really reasonable. I love to get sandals from places like Dolce Vita, Steve Madden, places like that. And those are beautiful. They make some great shoes. But sometimes if you're like me, I want like several pair. I want all of the sandals. I want all of the boots too during boot season. But during sandal season, I want all of them. And so I can't pay $70, $80, $100 for a pair of sandals. So I went online, and on Amazon, I found some really great sandals, and some of them are terrific dupes. And I think all of these sandals are under 40 bucks. I normally gravitate towards a nude sandal. I love a nude shoe. If you are ever looking to look a little taller, look a little thinner, have your legs look longer, absolutely go for a nude shoe. Unfortunately, this one right here, I couldn't find a nude color. I will keep looking. Hopefully a nude color in this shoe will pop up. Square-toed sandals, very, very in this season. I love something that I can just slide my foot in and go. These are so comfortable. Oh my gosh. On one of those other pricier websites, I found almost the identical shoe for about $80. These run about 35 bucks. I thought, okay, I don't necessarily subscribe to the notion that black goes with everything, but I thought with black shorts, black crop pants, I thought these are going to be adorable, and they are so comfortable, so cushy. I can't even explain to you how comfortable they are that I got them in black and I got them in white. I'm telling you, you have to get these. They're amazing. They feel so good. Now, because we're talking about great shoes on Amazon, I have a little bonus a little later. It's not a sandal, but it's a great little bonus that I stumbled on Amazon. On another sandal website, I found a shoe just like these, okay? Again, about, gosh, $80, I think. So these are great little dupes for these sandals. However, I am sending these back. Not because I don't love them, because these fit beautifully. Again, very, very soft. I really, really like these. What I don't love, oh, and again, little square toe, so very, very in this season. What I don't love are the colors are a little wonky. I definitely am looking still for a nude sandal. Something, again, a mule, a slide. I can just slide right in and go. I don't have to think about it. I don't have to worry about straps. These are very nice. A terrific dupe for the ones that I have seen that are pricier, for the ones that I have seen that are about, over $80. What I don't like about these, again, are the colors. The colors are a little wonky for me. I don't necessarily need a bone shoe, kind of an off-white. If you did, then this is terrific. And again, so comfortable. So I'm not sending them back because they're bad quality. I'm sending them back because the colors don't work for me. So this one is kind of a bone color. And then this one is supposed to be like a neutrally beige color. In person, it's a little bit more peachy. So I don't love this color. But in terms of fit and comfort, For the price, these are fabulous. I will link all of these shoes in the description below this video, so go check it out. And now I have another one that I'm sending back. And I appreciate you being here so much today. If you're finding value in this, I would love for you to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know when more videos come out. And I'm always sharing makeup and clothes and shoes and all kinds of things over on Instagram or Facebook at Just Doing My Best. So I'd love for you to come over and find me over there. Here's another pair of Slides mules that are going back. This is another dupe. You're finding a lot of these out in the market for spring and summer. Here's what I don't like about these. First of all, this is very, very bulky. I don't know how bulky it's looking on camera, but these are very, very bulky. Here's the other thing. In a sandal, I'm a size 7. When I put my foot into these, my foot is like almost all the way through. So I don't love that. I mean, my toes are way over the edge in these. So I would have had to size down almost 2 sizes in order to get these to work. And then if I would have sized down 2 sizes, then I would be way over the edge because, you know what I mean? Then the footbed wouldn't have worked well. So anyway, I don't love these at all. I think they're super bulky, and just this part of the shoe is just not working well. It's just not well thought out, and so my foot just goes way through the other side. These are definitely a no for me. This sandal is another no. It's just it just feels really cheap. It's a little too square. Like I said, it's just really, really cheap. I just don't love these at all. And again, the color is kind of a peachy, so I don't love these. They're just not super flattering on, so these are going back. I have one more pair of sandals to show you that's a yes, but here's my bonus. I love slippers. I'm in slippers all the time. When I'm at home, I am never not in slippers. 365 days a year, I'm in like cozy slippers with socks in the wintertime. I'm in slippers in the spring and summer that my toes are exposed. I love slippers. These are amazing. I'm not a really Birkenstock kind of girl, but I'm telling you, these slippers fit like a Birkenstock, but they're nice and fuzzy. They run about $35 or so. I will link them. They come in 100 colors. I want all of them. They're so comfortable. I love these so much. So this is my little bonus. They're not sandals, but they're slippers. These are amazing. And you order them according to your actual shoe size. So I'm a 7. I ordered the 7. They slipped right on. A little, like just a hair snug when I first put them on, but oh my gosh, they're amazing. I'm telling you, get these slippers. Okay, here's my last shoe for you. And I hope that you've enjoyed these. If you're over 40, if you're over 50, I love being a good resource for you. You know what? We're not trying to be like our daughters. We're not trying to dress like we're in college or we're 25 anymore. We just want to look and feel really good where we are right now. So if you like these suggestions, absolutely come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. I'm always talking about makeup and clothes and shoes and everything there. This is the last shoe I have for you, and I'm definitely keeping these. They just look and feel so well made. Again, very reasonably priced, under $40. I love the color on these. Again, I was really trying to find a good neutral, so I found these. These are gonna be terrific with shorts, with jeans, with summer pants. These are gonna be terrific dressed up with a skirt or a dress. I love these. So all of these shoes have been really reasonably priced. Let me share with you one more tip. One of the reasons that I love this shoe is this strap is a little bit closer to the toe. When the strap, you know, whether you're calling these a mule or a slide, whatever, just a shoe that you just slide in and go. When this strap is a little bit further back, closer to the leg, it can make your foot look larger. It can make your foot look longer and skinnier. So if you're very self-conscious about that, if your foot size, your shoe size is a little bit larger and you're super self-conscious about that, look for that strap to be closer to the toe versus closer to the leg. When it's closer to the leg, it's going to make your foot look larger. It's going to make your foot look longer. So keep that in mind. This is super flattering on. These are beautiful. They look really well made. Just a great price. And I will link all of these in the description below this video. So if you liked these, if you liked this video and you found value from it, I absolutely hope that you'll subscribe and you'll like this video. And I can't wait to see you next time. So go out today and be blessed and do your best.